Welcome to the world of homemade beauty remedies. Today, we're diving into the kitchen, where we'll discover how to create a skin whitening cream with ingredients you probably already have at home. Plus, we'll explore some tasty, skin brightening foods that could already be in your fridge. First up, the homemade skin whitening cream. This simple recipe requires only 2 ingredients: fresh lemon juice and honey. The citric acid in lemons acts as a natural exfoliant and skin brightener, while honey offers moisturizing and antibacterial properties. Combine the juice of half a lemon with a tablespoon of honey, apply it to your face for 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse with warm water. Remember, though, to keep this mixture away from your eyes. Moving on to cucumbers. Not only are they a refreshing snack, but they also offer fantastic skin benefits. For a quick and easy skin treatment, blend a cucumber and apply the juice to your face. After 15 minutes, simply rinse it off. Just be sure not to forget, or you might start smelling like a salad. Next, we turn our attention to the fruit bowl. Berries such as strawberries and blueberries are packed full of antioxidants which help to keep your skin looking fresh. Citrus fruits like oranges are a fantastic source of vitamin C, which aids in collagen production. So don't just look at your fruit, eat it. It's a delicious and beneficial addition to your skincare routine. Now, a word of caution. Always conduct a patch test before applying anything new to your skin. While natural ingredients can be beneficial, they can also cause allergic reactions in some people. And as always, any skin whitening cream you use should be free of harmful chemicals or bleach. That wraps up our journey for today. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Share your favorite skin brightening tips in the comments below. Until next time, keep shining.